All right, let's take it right. So once you happen to hit the threshold, you hit 1,000 subs and you also have 4,000 watch hour on your channel, you need to log on to your YouTube studio and then you click in the bottom right where it reads N. Once you are in, this is what you're going to see. So you need to swipe up and then you click apply now. Okay, so the page like this one will open up and then you need to first of all click start so that you review the best terms. Once you read through, you accept. These are the things that I'm going to show you how you have to do them. And then you need to sign up for AdSense account for YouTube. So just stay tuned and watch the video from the beginning to the end. And I promise you, I will show you everything. So now let's take a deep dive. All right, so let's get started. You hit start. And then what you need to do is you read through all these base terms. So you swipe up and then you check in this box and then you accept the terms. You have to take some time to read through the module so that you get to know what you're accepting. Okay, so now after accepting this, you will see a notification that has been done. So from here, you need to sign up for an AdSense account for YouTube. So this will actually be something pretty easy because you'll be walked through. Just hit start. When you click start, it will load and then this interface will actually pop up. You'll be redirected to AdSense for YouTube. So just click that arrow which is pointing downwards. And then you take a pic from here. They're saying, do you have an AdSense account? If you're not sure, just go by I don't know. And then you'll be walked through. Okay. If you don't know, you'll be told what will actually pop up. So just click there, continue, and you'll be taken to the web page where you'll be able to create an AdSense account. So here you need to choose the email address with which you'd want to create an AdSense account. So I'm gonna go by the second one. I've hidden the details. So here we go. We are taking you right into the depth. The depths. So it's loading right now. It's loading. Okay, so here we are. And they're saying continue with this account here already linked to an existing Google product. Associate the account with. Okay, so the details have been hidden. So you need to swipe up and then you click continue. I hope you're able to see that. And then you click set up an account. It's pretty easy. Okay, so after that has been done, all you have to do is you click redirect to YouTube. So just like that, an AdSense account is actually created. When you get back to YouTube, this is what you're gonna see. They say review best terms done, then set up, sign up for an AdSense for YouTube. It will indicate that has been done already. So you need to swipe up so that you check out the next step. So the third step involves your YouTube channel being reviewed, whether you've been abiding by the YouTube rules, the community rules and the like. So now after that day, the more of that day, you will receive this notification indicating that you've been accepted into the YouTube partnership program, and you'll see a welcome notice and your YouTube channel will actually be boom. So what you do is you simply hit let's go. Okay, let's go. We are waiting for it to load. Let's go. Come on, YouTube. Okay, so they're saying you are a YouTube partner. Get your community and monthly. They're saying grow your community and earn monthly. Just click get started. Get started. So at some point later on, there will be an email that will be sent to you. Even a notification will actually pop up in your YouTube channel, where they'll tell you that there is something that you need to attend to in your AdSense account. This has to do with submission of tax information. So you just have to get back to your AdSense account, and then you see this. So you see what's on top there. Yeah. So you need to tell them about yourself. You need to enter your information, and then there'll be other details that I'll be showing you how to do that. So it all has to do with submission of your NRC, your national registration card, or your driver's license. So you just have to click on that. It says submit tax info, and these are the details that you'll see. So what you need to do is you simply click there. It says add tax information. Let's click there. Okay, boom. So here we go. They're saying verify now. Just click there, and then you will see this page indicating what you need to actually upload, and then you need to check in that box so as to agree to the terms and conditions that you actually read through from here. So just check in there after reading through all the terms and conditions. Check in there, and then start verification. So here you need to punch in your legal name. The legal name has to be the one which is on that particular document that you're going to upload. Don't make a mistake here. Otherwise, you will sabotage everything. So punch in your legal name, the one which is on your document. So I'm going to punch in my legal name there, Piri Elisha. And then after I'm done with this part, I will need to select the type of an ID with which I'm going to get verified. The one with the name which matches with the one that I'm going to upload there. So after you're done with all these, okay, so after you're done with all these, you will get back here. Okay. Okay, so the last segment is the segment where you need now to deal with the verification of your residential address. Remember, when you're punching all the details there in the AdSense account, you need to punch in the mail address as well as the residential address. So a PIN shall be mailed to you, and then later on you see a notification on the channel dashboard indicating that the verification code has been sent. This is a 6-digit PIN. So for you to access it, you have to make sure that you log back into your AdSense account. Okay, you log back into the AdSense account, and then you go ahead and check if the PIN has been mailed to your postal box, the one that you had actually registered on the AdSense account. So let me take you to my AdSense account so that I show you where it is. Okay. Where are you, AdSense? Where are you? Okay, down there. There you are. I see you. Google AdSense account. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. So as you can check out on top there, they're saying your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. So here, all you have to do is you click action. When you click action, you will see where you need to punch in the code. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. So the only thing that I would actually caution you about is don't punch in the residential address if you're from an African country where postal services are pretty poor, pretty poor. I'd rather you indicate the postal address so that you only happen to find that